Well, happy Friday, Mid-Michigan. Michaela, we definitely have an easy day today to kind of recover a bit before our next round of snow starts to show up later on this evening. And we will have a mix of cloud cover today, possibly some sunshine for you, then very windy conditions tonight, especially through the overnight. We could have wind gusts upwards of 40 to even 50 miles per hour. And then a clipper system moves through to our north this evening. So it can bring us a quick 1 to maybe 2 inches of general snowfall as that clipper system moves well off to our north. We're going to stay cold then on Saturday, but a much more mild Sunday ahead. So check this out on our 7-day forecast. That snow develops later on this evening. It's going to wrap up fairly quickly, so we'll be done and gone with it for the day tomorrow. I think we'll see more sunshine as we get later and later into our Saturday as we slowly continue to break away that cloud cover. But temperatures in the 20s will feel like we are in the negatives kicking off tomorrow morning. So a bitter cold start to our weekend. But look at the end. 42 degrees and some sunshine on Sunday. Going to feel like a heat wave. Definitely someone across mid-Michigan will have shorts on in a true Michigan fashion. And we'll continue with the 40s on Monday. Now, Monday overnight into Tuesday, start to get into our next system showing rain. We could have some wintry mix in there as well. It's all a matter of where this system sets up. So still a lot to get through for where a system tracks through on Tuesday for if we have rain, freezing rain or snow. So we just have to kind of plan on where things set up for Tuesday. But behind that, colder air is back. We're talking the 20s Wednesday and Thursday next week. So in the meantime, today, make it a great Friday and just know we have a little bit more snow ahead this evening. Have a good one. For now, I'm meteorologist Candace Monticelli.